Well, I enjoy the online tutoring service because it's very convenient in terms of my busy schedule. I have twins that are in sixth grade and a fourth grader. We introduced tutoring to my children since they were very, very young, and it's always been in a brick and mortar store. And I was a little apprehensive initially because I did not think that a online tutoring would capture their attention, but Brianna, I can't say enough about Brianna. She's able to engage them personally. It's a one-on-one. It's almost like a classroom setting. You cannot really tell the difference. The whiteboard, the way her instructions on the whiteboard really looks and feels like a live classroom to me. Brick and mortar stores, you have to fit your schedule in with a schedule, a weekly schedule, whereas I can do it myself. I can adjust it conveniently. It may be every Wednesday at 2 p.m., but I can change it. I can call my tutor and say it's not going to work for me today. I have two middle schoolers who work together, but sometimes the one student, my son, is off playing football where he can't get to the session at the same time. And then once it's over, he can go back to the recorded session and see what he's missed. Tutors are experts at their subject matter. They have an awesome enhanced online platform, and simply just works. My kids are doing an awesome job with Varsity Tutors.